In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an element appear on all pages of your Wix site. If you're looking to create a consistent and unified look across your site, ensuring that certain elements are visible on every page is a great way to achieve that seamless design. Let's begin by opening your site in the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens. Make yourself comfortable, and let's navigate this user-friendly platform together. Once you're in the editor, you'll see all the elements currently on your page. This can include text boxes, images, buttons, or whatever you've added to your website. Now, take a moment to identify the specific element you'd like to showcase across your entire website. It could be your logo for branding consistency, or perhaps an important announcement you want all your visitors to see. Once you've decided on the element, click to select it. You'll notice a blue outline around your selection, indicating it's now active for editing purposes. Here's where the fun part begins. With the element selected, use the right-click function on your mouse or touchpad to bring up the context menu. This menu is a powerful tool, providing quick access to an array of options that can save you time and effort. Within this context menu, you'll need to look for the Show on All Pages toggle. It's like a switch that enables the element's visibility across all the pages of your site. Click on this toggle to activate it, and voila, your chosen element is now present on every page without you having to manually place it everywhere. But wait, there's another way to accomplish this. Wix, being a visual powerhouse, provides multiple paths to achieve the same result. Let's explore that alternative method. In the Wix editor, you'll notice the editor toolbar positioned on the right side of your screen. This toolbar is a navigator's delight with various options, each designed to enhance your editing experience. Simply select your element again, and as you gaze over to the right-hand side, you'll see that same Show on All Pages toggle located on this toolbar. By clicking it here, you achieve the same result without needing to right-click. And there you have it. Whether it's through the context menu or the toolbar, making an element visible on all pages in Wix is both simple and efficient. Remember, consistency is key in web design. With this feature, you can ensure your messages, branding, or any vital information is seamlessly integrated across your site. This will not only elevate your site's appearance, but also enhance the user experience for your visitors. Thank you for tuning into today's guide. Enjoy the newfound uniformity on your website, and see you in our next video.